What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is a little bit different. Told you guys, I'm gonna be posting trucking stuff and my personal life on here, so enjoy it if you want to. If not, skip. But we're going to go pick up my buddy's M5. We're going from Spokane to Missoula. I think it's about 200 miles. So he has a parts car. Well, he bought a car in auction. It was missing a piston. It's a V10, so it was missing a piston, and one of them in the start is like misfired. Somebody literally pulled the piston out, put everything back there, because there was no shit. There were shavings, but there was no like pieces of piston, nothing. So super weird. And so he really flew in with that deal, and I feel bad for him. Sucks. But one of the buddies I know had an M5 in Missoula, and basically the body's in rough shape. Suspension is gone, but the engine is good. So we're gonna go pick it up. So enjoy the video. Trucks, all under glory. And here's the first project car. So this thing is a lot cleaner, as you could tell. Clean interior. Just needs a bumper in the hood. But yeah. So there it is, the first V10.
Я думаю, трак не чувствует его как бы. Ну, может, чуть-чуть. Но на расходу видите.
Let's hit the cat scales.
Алло, лакбуки, все нормально, пацаны? Мені...
For the main lake, right here.
Oh, and there's a fork.
Well, the Ford brought us here, Montana. It's reliable for now. 7.3. And I got this trailer. Didn't have a hot shot trailer available, so we had to grab a bumper pull to come pick up my buddy's M5. So we'll see if we still get it. Is Simon not going to be here?
I don't know. Mine says it right here.
Ты думаешь, ты? Ты думаешь, ты?
Я сам буду прекрасно.
Все? Где это было?
Mine's
Yeah. Just because of that light, we need to buy it now.
Yes.
Да!
Нема.
Not enough? А что вы сняли джампер? Надо было два и джампер не это. А вы иди тоже. Вот приехал каску.
Sure. Nothing?
Давай, 10 сидим. the program, all the BS, you know?
Oh yeah, оно заводится, but after like 3 days it's dead if it doesn't get programmed.
Готовы?
Заводи. Заводи чуть.
Джампер будем кидать для всякого пожарного?
It'll start, bro.
Ну раз здесь кидай.
Jumper?
Alright, go for it, son.
Maybe the starter. Maybe something's up with the starter. It's locked.
Йо, едем. First gear.
32.
32? Yeah, well, say it's the 32.
Ну по-ищем.
Опускай, он.
Hey, watch out with the tires. I put those 2 tires.
Чего крутится?
Хватит?
Хватит. Try it.
Supercharged 7.3.
Nitrous and
Nitrous.
jet engine
Jet engine.
and the exhaust.
It's 7.3 and the jet engine is basically the same thing.
As the Boeing 747.
Yeah. Reliable, right?
As we get home.
I'll show you guys. This thing is basically a parts car for his other M5 V10 that he has sitting. Has some issues, Vanus gears and all that. I'm not exactly sure, but this is the parts car.
Что я постараюсь, щоб не орал. Постараюсь. Видишь, домяра валит. Значит, я стану.
Или Астон будем гонять.
Форди уйдет, видишь.
Они все забирают.
And so
Oh,
far,
yeah.
looks
Да, Mack-трак. Синий, классно выглядит, нет?
Yeah, looks pretty cool.
Вольво чуть-чуть клюнет, ничего страшного не будет, да?
I also found a hot shot. There you go. What's up, buddy?